Hello, good morning, good evening, everyone. Welcome to the course Intro to AI for Beginners and Freshers. This is a 1+ hours course broken down into different sections. For this course, no prior AI experience or coding experience is required. Let's get started. Who this course is for? For college students, for recent graduates and freshers, and career switchers. It all starts with you. Human intelligence is built through trying, failing, and improving. If we take an example of learning a bike, you wobbled, you fell, and you got up and became a confident driver one day. Comes only after months of practice. You struggled, but suddenly one day it clicked and you started riding the bike. What is intelligence? The ability to learn, understand, solve problems, and apply knowledge to new situations is called intelligence. First, our brain collects and gathers the information and spots the pattern. It stores what matters and chooses action. With that actions, we created wheels, printing press, computers, internet, mobile phones, and so on. These kind of devices require human intelligence to create these machines that can be helpful. This is really a unique human ability. Other species can create the tools to create their nests and other things, but the kind of sophistication and enormity that human intelligence is unmatchable in any species. But can we build the machines that can learn, reason, solve problems, and assist humans the same way? Artificial intelligence is the science of building computers or digital systems. Artificial intelligence is transitioning from only digital to physical devices and robots also. So, the way we can redefine artificial intelligence is the science of building computers, digital and physical systems that perform tasks normally requiring human intelligence, understanding the language, recognizing the images, making decisions, and learning from data. A little history. Alan Turing created a test. He asked a question in 1950. Can machines think? In 57, first neural network inspired by the brain was created. 94, Chinook beat the best human player. IBM Deep Blue is a computer that defeated Gary Kasparov, who is a grandmaster. He's a legend in the chess world. AlphaGo beat Lee years earlier in 2016. That tells us that artificial intelligence is making waves but in increments. Then why is everyone talking about AI now? The ideas are old. Three things finally came together. First, massive data. The internet era created oceans of text, images, and videos. Powerful chips, GPUs, specialized AI chips became powerful and affordable. Breakthroughs in the models. ChatGPT and friends made usable AI. The moment everything changed. On November 30th, 2022, OpenAI is a California based company quietly released a free research preview called ChatGPT. No advertising campaign, no launch event, just a chatbot on the website. Within days, screenshots of its answers flood social media, and for the first time, ordinary people can talk to AI and it talked back like a human. This was the moment that changed everything in the artificial intelligence race. The fastest growing app in history, telephone took 75 years, mobile phone took 16 years, Instagram took 2.5 years, and TikTok took 9 months, and ChatGPT was able to reach 1 million users within 5 days and 10 million unbelievable pace. That tells us that this AI technology is a natural companion to the humans. Why so powerful? Anyone can use it. No coding, no special software, just type like WhatsApp. Works in English, Hindi, Spanish, Telugu, Kannada, Tamil, and any other languages. If you can send text message, you can use ChatGPT. One tool, 1,000 use cases. It can write the emails, you can ask it to write the mails, essays, reports, hot topics, preparing for interviews. You can ask the ChatGPT to create a sequence of questions, plan the trips, meals, budget, brainstorm. Free instant, surprisingly, it is human. What is a career tip? Employers love candidates who can explain AI in simple words. Clear beats the jargons, practice the analogies, and this course trains that skill. What are the takeaways for the section 1? Human intelligence is learned through trial and error and improvement. AI is the science of machines that perform tasks, needs human like intelligence. The big leap happened when data, chips, and usable models finally met in 2022 on November 30th that ChatGPT got released. ChatGPT made AI accessible to everyone. Your superpower is explaining AI in simple and clear terms. Thanks for tuning in. Looking forward to see you in my next section too.